kiddos! Welcome back to Joy Jungle Jr.
Today we are going to learn about domestic animals. Kids, do you like that? Come, let's see.
Cat and kitten. Goat and kid. Sheep and lamb. Ram. Mule and foal. Pig and piglet. Horse and foal. Buffalo and calf. Camel and calf. Rabbit and kit. Dog and puppy. Oxen. Cow and calf. Now let's learn about birds. Goose and gosling. Chicken and chick. Duck and duckling. Swan and cygnet. Turkey and poult. Pigeon and squab. Quail and chick. Peacock and peachick. Goldfish and fingerling. Thank you for joining us, little explorers. Remember to spread the joy, share with friends, and stay curious. Goodbye for now.